Hello, boys and girls. We are going to finish lesson 53 today. It is a textbook part 2 that we will be doing together, and then you will be completing the independent parts to go along with this. So if you could have your notebook open to where you left off yesterday. Yesterday you did P1, part 1, and today you are going to be doing P2, part 2. So we have some story problems here that we're going to be working out, all right? And instead of S and E, instead of start and end numbers, we have some comparison problems here, okay? So we're going to be comparing one object to another. So let's look at problem A first. Listen. The white dog was 11 pounds heavier than the brown dog. The brown dog weighed 33 pounds. How many pounds did the white dog weigh? Okay. So what are we going to do? We're going to find the sentence that tells how many more or less. Which sentence is that? The first sentence. It tells us that the white dog was 11 pounds heavier. Heavier, remember guys, means more, okay? So the white dog was more than the brown dog, right? What is the number that tells how many more or less? 11. So 11 is going to be your first small number. Then let's reread without the number. The white dog was heavier or more than the brown dog. So if the white dog is more, where is the W going to go? The W will be the big number, and the B will be the small number, right? Okay. So now we can replace either the B or the W. Let's look back at the story. Who does it tell you about? It tells you about the brown dog, right? The brown dog weighed 33 pounds. So go ahead and replace your B with 33. And then write down your problem and work it. And did you guys get 44 for the white dog? Excellent. Good job. Now we'll look at the next problem. Problem B. Jane is 5 inches taller than Tim. Jane is 65 inches tall. How many inches tall is Tim? What do we need to do here? We start by identifying the sentence that tells how many more or less, and that is the first sentence. Jane is 5 inches taller than Tim. Which number tells how many more or less? 5. Add that to your family. Reread without the 5. Jane is taller than Tim. So is J the big number or the small number? J is going to be the big number, and T is going to be the small number. Now let's read the sentence that tells about one of those two. And it says Jane is 65 inches tall. So we're going to replace the J with 65. And then you can go ahead and write down your problem and work it. And did you guys get 60 for 10? Good job. Okay, we have one more problem here that we're going to work. Okay, let's read the bottom problem. Tim was 9 pounds lighter than Bill. Tim weighed 90 pounds. How many pounds did Bill weigh? Start with the sentence that tells how many more or less. Which sentence? The top one. Okay. Go ahead and make the family with the first small number and T and B. Did you write 9 as the first small number? Good. Did you write down T as the small number since T is lighter? T is the small number and B is the big number. And then which one are you going to replace, the T or the B? You're going to replace the T with 90. Go ahead and write down your problem and work it. And did you get 99 as your answer? Excellent. Good job, boys and girls. I'm going to show you what your independent work is going to look like for today. So, if you click on my next link on my assignments, you will see that I have this page here for you. So, you could choose to either pause the video and use my screen right here, or click on the next link and open your independent page that looks like this. What you're going to do for part 3 is you are going to write the problem for A and work it, and then copy and work the rest of the multiplication equations, okay? So you're going to write down the array here for A. So how many in each row and how many rows, okay? So do the multiplication equations. And then down here, you have part 4, you have some word problems. These are some comparison problems where you're going to compare some letters to each other. And then for part 5, you are going to write the name of the shape, okay? So you can write C for circle, T for triangle, R for rectangle, and then in addition to the R, some of these might also be squares. So some of them might have 2 letters. R for rectangle, meaning 4 sides, and S for square, meaning that all 4 sides are the same length. Okay. You guys did great today. Keep up the good work. Good luck with finishing your assignment. Please take a picture and send it to me if you can. Okay, have a wonderful day. Bye.